If you wake up between 2 and 4 a.m., your body might be triggering a hidden stress alarm that forces your brain awake. And the strange part is, the real cause usually has nothing to do with insomnia. In the next few minutes, I'll explain why this happens and the simple nightly reset people are using to finally sleep through the night again. See if this sounds familiar. You fall asleep fine, but around 3 a.m., your eyes snap open, your mind races, your body feels alert, and no matter how tired you are, you can't fall back asleep. You lie there staring at the ceiling, calculating how many hours of rest you can still get if you just drift off right now. But your brain won't shut off. The next day is spent feeling foggy and drained. But it's not just the 3 a.m. wake-ups. Maybe you experience the temperature paradox. Your core feels hot, but your hands and feet are ice cold. Or a second wind, exhausted at 8 p.m., but suddenly wired if you stay up past 10. You might even wake up with a sore jaw from grinding your teeth. These aren't signs of standard insomnia. You are suffering from a cortisol imbalance that creates biochemical hyperarousal. Your body is simply stuck in the wrong stress cycle. In many cases, these wake-ups are triggered by cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. At night, cortisol should drop to its lowest level so you can enter deep sleep. But for millions, a silent biological alarm goes off mid-sleep, and it usually starts with a sudden drop in nocturnal blood sugar. While you sleep, your brain requires steady energy. If your reserves dip too low around 3 a.m., your brain panics. To prevent a crash, it sends an emergency signal to your adrenal glands, forcing a massive surge of cortisol to release quick energy. That spike raises your blood sugar, but instantly switches your brain into survival mode. You aren't waking up because you are a bad sleeper. You are waking up because your body is running a biological emergency protocol. In just a moment, I'll show you the simple nightly step researchers discovered that stops this 3 a.m. biological panic. But first, it's important to understand why most common sleep solutions actually make this problem worse. Things like melatonin or sleeping pills try to force sleep, but they don't address this chemical alarm. You can't fix a chemical alarm with generic sleep hygiene. You need to reset your biology. Sleep researchers noticed that correcting this out-of-sync cortisol rhythm changes everything. Think of your stress hormones like a light switch. Modern stress and disrupted habits often leave that switch stuck halfway on. That discovery led to the cortisol sleep reset. It's a 21-day method designed to calm nighttime spikes, provide natural deep sleep support, and help you fall asleep quicker so you can wake up refreshed. Instead of guessing what your body needs, this program gives you an if-then diagnostic chart to decode your exact symptoms. You'll learn how to mix a targeted, pre-bed cortisol cocktail using simple ingredients from your kitchen to safely boost melatonin and restore electrolytes before your head even hits the pillow. Resetting your biology doesn't require extreme routines or expensive supplements. It just requires pure biological alignment. Inside, you'll discover tools like the Emergency Room SOS Toolkit. This includes a highly effective trick called the salt and honey dart. If you wake up at 3 a.m., this exact method instantly restocks liver glycogen and acts like a biological off switch for your adrenaline alarm, letting you drift right back to sleep. Every night you ignore this alarm is another day of waking up exhausted. But it doesn't have to be that way. Imagine waking up to your alarm actually feeling rested. Imagine having the steady, clear energy to get through your workday without relying on afternoon coffee just to survive. Click the button below this video right now to secure your instant digital download of the Cortisol Sleep Reset for just $17. When you order today, you'll also get 2 free bonuses. First, the Cortisol Dinner Matrix, acting as a simple cortisol detox diet cheat sheet, revealing the red flag foods you must avoid after 6 p.m. and showing you exactly how to build a dinner that naturally anchors insulin. Second, the 12-month sleep tracker to visually map your progress. Join others who have successfully reset their biological clock and reclaimed their nights. Click the button below right now to get started and try it out tonight.